If a is less than 0, then a upon 8 plus 8 upon a is. Now, if we assume a upon 8 as x, and therefore 8 upon a becomes 1 upon x. So we can say that a upon 8 plus 8 upon a is equal to x plus 1 upon x. Now we know that a is less than 0, and therefore x will also be less than 0. Now let's take different values of x. Okay, so if we take x equal to minus 1, so x plus 1 upon x, that becomes minus 1 plus 1 upon minus 1. So this comes out to be minus 2. Now if we take x equal to minus zero point 0.5, so we have here minus zero point 0.5 plus 1 upon minus zero point 0.5. So you will get the answer as minus 2.5. If we take another value of x, let's say x equal to minus 2, we will get here as minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2. So again here also we'll get the answer as minus 2.5. So by looking at the options, you can see that minus 2.5, it is less than minus 2. Minus 2.5 here also, it's the same thing. So it will be less than minus 2. So therefore, we can say x plus 1 upon x will be less than or equal to minus 2. Therefore, we can say that the answer is option D.